Hi, my name is Joel Carroll with Mersive Technologies, and we're here at InfoComm 2025. This year, we introduced the Mersive Collaboration Suite, which is a suite of 3 different products built for sharing. Starts with Smart, goes to Essentials, go to Pro. Each one of them is going to do something slightly different. When we look at the 2 different products that we have, Essentials and Pro is going to be working on some hardware. But the thing I'm most excited about to talk about today is the ability to meet somebody where they're at when it comes to hybrid meeting. So what we're doing is different than anybody else we've seen on the market today. What we do is we have an add-in. The add-in is going to be inside of Teams or inside of Zoom and allow you as the user to install that add-in, not installing outside software, but install the add-in inside Teams to be able to connect that hybrid meeting space directly to your laptop in just a few simple steps. So you go into Teams, you would then go and launch that add-in, you would type in a simple screen key, type in 6 keys, now you've got those USB peripherals all connected. We also will have Zoom coming soon, and we're very excited about having that. Somewhere within the next month, you should start to see more information on those things. But definitely keep an eye on us. The product is going to be shipping in July. We're excited to get this out to the market, and check out our hybrid videos that we have online as well. www.mersive.com, InfoComm 2025.